Devatsavi today. This is episode 26 of today. And today I'm going to do an ASC or an American Signal ASC T121 tornado siren test. ASC T121 tornado siren test, full alert and Hartford, WI, Wisconsin, tornado siren test. Like, subscribe, catch me if you are. Alright guys, enjoy. Enjoy guys. So yeah, I'm going to be doing an ASC, or an American Signal ASC T121 tornado siren test in Hartford, WI, Wisconsin, full alert tornado siren test. Before you guys hear the siren, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for Yano. Enjoy guys. I'm going to have the camera here, and I'm going to be over here. I hope you guys enjoy, and also, yeah, could turn down the volume, be pretty loud, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Here we go. I don't know how long the alert signal is going to go for, but I'll write it down probably in the description down below if you guys to check that out. Alright. Hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. So yeah, we're going to be doing an American Signal. Well, I will be recording the Noon Blast American Signal ASC T121 full alert in Hartford, Wisconsin. Hope you guys enjoy, and here we go. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Enjoy. And guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Enjoy, guys. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed me recording the ASC or American Signal ASC T121 tornado siren test in Hartford, Wisconsin. Hope you guys enjoyed the full alert signal. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the siren, me recording it. Hope you guys enjoyed the Noon Blast. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.